Hey you guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I took this free lamp and turned it into a light for keeping my tomato plants alive. This is my setup and these are the bulbs that I used. I got my bulbs from someone. They were 3 for $10, but they are on Amazon for $11.99 each. I will leave a link in the description, but do look around like on Craigslist or OfferUp or the neighborhood app because I think that's where I found mine. And because I was able to find mine so cheap, this project ended up only costing me $3.50 for the entire setup because most of the other stuff was free as well. So up here at the top of the light, I'm going to start taking apart from this side before I cut because I might be able to just disassemble the bulb part thingy and pull the whole entire wire through. Got that off. Next thing I guess is to unscrew this. Lifty loosey, lifty loosey. Nice. Pull that through. I'm gonna need another tool. I will be back. So, looking at this, probably 11/16. 11/16. Oh yeah, perfect fit. I went through every single one before I recorded this. Got it apart. Got a couple bugs out. So let's see what I have to do next. Yay! Now I can do stuff. No. Okay, so this part I was able to unscrew, which makes me think that I didn't have to take any of this part off, or this part off that whole entire time. I probably could have just pulled this all through. Not 100% sure about that, but these are the screws that I'm gonna take off to pull everything through. And then I'll put the screws back the same exact way. No, I need a screwdriver. Hot goes to brass. Neutral goes to white. Whatever that metal is. Just like that. Came right off. Set this aside. And I'm going to try to straighten these out. And pull it through the whole way of the lamp. Also, I'm going to pull off this little insulation fire stop stuff so that way I don't lose it while I'm pulling everything through. So I'll just set those to the side and I'm going to start yanking on this stuff. Oh yeah, and then as I pull this off, I'm going to lay it in order because I'll probably get it all messed up if I don't do that. So that's going to go there. And then this thing comes next. So I'm going to lay that right there. Just try to do my best. And so now everything is off of this wire. Now I can start pulling it through. This is just at least getting this deconstructed and reconstructed. I'm just going to put this for my plants. Wait a minute, the bulb that I have, I don't even think it's gonna fit, and I have to see. Will it even fit once this is all assembled? Because the bulbs that I have is like fatter. Oh yeah, it will, I think. I don't know, I have to see. The next thing is this. And then I'll fish this through here. Whoops, did I just pull it back through? Just about. Okay, so now I have my hot wire. So I don't think this is picking up too much in the video, but I can see that there's wording and the markings and letters on this side, which is the hot side. And I also need to remember to put back on this insulation fire stop stuff. Make this little hook thingy. Put that back on there. Which one? Okay, this is hot. This one with the writing. Hot goes to brass. Hot goes to brass. Hot goes to brass. Hot goes to brass. Brass, 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 brass.
Wait, brass or fast?
Brass.
What is that?
So, bzz, just kidding. Sorry.
My mom is dead! No, I don't. Okay. I'll probably steal like $100.
Now this was tied in a knot somehow. Totally forgot about that part.
So my house is fire. What if you actually did? I'm gonna help you get rid of your dogs. My house is on fire. Wee! Thank you, Mommy. Mom, you're so stupid. Wow. Ew. No! That was for Ian. No! I killed it! You're stupid.
Let's not be calling each other stupid. Trying to fit this on there and line up that switch. This thingy.
That's the only one. That's the only one. We're only getting one.
Twist that back on.
Why is my red ones coming? I know. Oh, let's go. Come on, stinky.
Alright.
Who's that?
Turn this on and hopefully we don't smell fire.
Oh, parrot.
And hopefully it works.
Manu.
Took this from our 80s style vanity.
Mom, we took all your things. No, put it back on here. And when you
Those screws right there aren't gonna help. Ugh.
Oh, that sound.
I know.
The sound is too sounding.
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah, that's my kitchen stuff.
So far, so good. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word.
A golden.
It works.
What works?
My light.
Oh, stop. And I know.
That works. It works.
No. Give me that.
Sweet.
Because I'm saving for a special reason.
So I have this piece left over, which is never a good thing. Took this thing apart again to take these screws off so it's not hitting the light bulb. I actually don't even need this piece because that's what holds that other bowl shape on the top of the lamp. But I think I'll leave it for now just in case I want to use it. As far as this piece goes, that helps hold this switch in that little compartment. So I'm going to shove that down in there and put this on. Good enough. Conus? He's insane. So I just tied it up on here. This is I just pulled my tomato box in from outside. And what I'm doing right now is putting some foil onto the cages. I'm just trying to keep this thing alive because it's still producing, so I don't know. I have no clue what I'm doing, but what a hips. I've been dragging this thing in and out of the house on nights where it gets really cold, so I'm just happy to finally have it in, and I'll just run this during the day and turn it off at night, I guess. Like I said, just trying to keep it alive. This grow box thing was free. My husband got it from somebody at his work, as well as the tomato cages were free. This light thing was free. You just saw me take it apart. The foil is probably from Dollar Tree. Actually, I think I did buy the good stuff for something. It's Walmart brand. And then the bulbs, I got 3 for $1 on either Craigslist or OfferUp. They're hydroponic. Okay, so they weren't 3 for $1. I got them 3 for $10. And this is a sandalwood brand hydroponic LED light. And they came in this kind of box. They were like brand new, so they work pretty good.